Okay, you guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys my nail polish collection. And yeah, I have a couple of things in here. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys. Okay, so I'm just going to take them out and whip them. Okay, so I have glitters. This is for acrylic nails. Have some more here. I'm just gonna whip them out and show you guys. And nail polishes. Regular nail polish remover, which is I'm running out. These are stickers or stick-ons for your nails. Never used these in my life. I have Ultra Lotion Jergens. Let's see. Another nail polish remover. Some more glitters. This is a nail file kit, which is I'm gonna show you guys. It doesn't really have too much right now. Yeah. So these are for the prosthetic hand that I have, and these are like fake nails that you put on so you can extend it with the what is it, like the acrylic nails, like the real ones. So yeah. And then I have a whole bunch of glitter stuff. I'm just gonna kind of whip them out and show you guys. So yeah, glitter. Okay. This is a mini LED light or lamp. Yeah. Let's see here. And then I have tons of more glitters right here. There's tons, so I'm just gonna take them out and kind of show you guys some stuff. So yeah. So yeah, I have a lot of nail polishes. I don't know. Okay, so there's one that says Sally Hansen. The rest of these, it says SM Smokin' Miners. And I got this from Five Below. Let's see here. Let's see. I got some more, what is this? I think this is acrylic oil. I got acrylic oil right here. Some more glitters. Nail polish base coats, and oh yeah, I didn't show you guys this. Hold on. So I have acrylic powders that I got from Amazon. If I could remember the link, I'll probably link it. These are also from Amazon. These are, what is it? Base coat, another base coat, and gel polish. And let me see if I can open up one. Yeah, guys, so these are they're real polish, but I just feel like these kind of smell different. Like they don't smell like the actual polish. So yeah, I got these from Amazon. Let's see what I see. Yeah, guys, it's so much stuff to take out. So yeah, just basically what you've seen is what I had in there, which is more acrylic powders and nail polishes. Yeah. And I have here, oh no, I have here a sanitizer from school when I went to school. And let's see. Oh, I think this is acrylic oil. Yeah. So I got acrylic oil, I believe, or that's either base coat. It's one of these, and it's by American Nails. Yeah, American Nails or whatever. That came in my nail kit when I went to esthetician school. So did this, I believe. This is One Step Dual Cure Gel. So this is a cure gel. So you're gonna cure your nails under the LED lamp that I showed you guys. And yeah, I'm just gonna show like a picture of the thumbnails of like all of the items that I have, because it's too much to show, but they're basically the same thing. They're glitters, nail polishes, gel polishes, yeah, and stickers. So thank you guys for commenting and subscribing, and stay tuned for the next video.